In this video, I'll show you how to clear your WordPress cache from the admin panel. Clearing cache ensures your updates show up immediately and helps troubleshoot site issues. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more WordPress tips. First, log into your WordPress dashboard with admin privileges. From here, navigate to the Plugins section on the left-hand side. Plugins are tools that extend WordPress functionality, and to manage cache, you'll need a caching plugin. Click Add New and search for a caching plugin like W3 Total Cache or WP Super Cache. Once you find the plugin you want, click Install Now, then Activate to enable it. With the plugin active, go back to your plugin section and click on Settings under the Caching plugin. Here, look for an option labeled Delete Cache or something similar. Clicking this will immediately clear your site's cache, making all recent updates visible to visitors. And that's it. Using a caching plugin not only clears cache but also allows you to manage and automate it, improving site performance over time. Regularly check your plugin settings to keep your site running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.